Are you having a headache about putting PDF content into PPT? Use Smallppt to help you solve all problems. Click on the file to generate a slideshow. Supports 10 common file types. And you can also generate a slideshow from audio. Smallppt supports custom slides. You can set the number of slides, tone, and language of the content. These settings can match your presentation report scene. After setting, click to upload your PDF. Based on the previous settings, AI will quickly generate a slide outline for you. You can modify the outline content at any time. If you don't like a part, you can also delete it. Click to generate. Choose your favorite slide template. PDF can be quickly converted to a presentation in 2 minutes. The slides are rich in content and save time. According to this tutorial, try to convert your PDF to PowerPoint.